Toe spaces, it's like the fifth wall. The fifth wall is the ceiling, by the way, in case anybody doesn't know what that is. It's the forgotten area. The toe space is a forgotten area. So what I've started doing, I've started to come up with some ideas for the toe space. Here's some more moldings. Look what I found in their molding. Turn it upside down and put one of those things on it. You've got a really interesting foot. Here's another one. Here's a keystone. You can cut it off so it finishes underneath if you want, like we did here. Here's a cove molding, and all I did is I laid this on a saw flat and cut it straight. Now I can use a piece of cove molding, cut a box out of it. You notice the toe kicks? This is different. Everybody knows this is a, I love the name they put on this, Star 24. See the profile on that? You know what's interesting? You know what this molding is? This OG molding? I'm gonna show you something. You would have the perfect continuation of molding all across the bottom of any amount of cabinets you wanted to put in. This is how I think. I rarely use anything the way it is intended. This is not, by the way, this is not a vanity. We added some wall cabinets. You can tell it's in the middle of the room. And this is what it ended up. This is actually a bar. And again, light valance. A cabinet that didn't have glass in the door, I put glass in the door by simply taking the center panel out, route it out. Then you can put any kind of glass in there you want, or steel. This type of thing works really well, by the way, just as a side note. J&K doesn't offer a straight appliance garage. So what I did here is I took a cabinet and just took the bottom off, or turned it sideways, took the door, cut the bottom off the cabinet, and simply put a lift-up hinge on it. The same hinging system they have back here. Jack of all trades, master of none, you've all heard that. You can't do everything yourself. Try to be either the designer or the installer.